Hello student, how are you all? I hope you are fine. So once again I welcome back to your online classes. I am your teacher Miss Catherine. So today video for your revision UT test first. Already I have uploaded about your syllabus. So please you go in Educare app option note class note. You check it this your syllabus and class note and all the answers, question answer, all the chapters, exercises, everything. Okay, so most students asking me about the chapters, how many chapter will come. Already I have submitted, uploaded all the syllabus and the dates your exam, so you check it please. And whatever be doubt about chapter you can ask to me. So once again I'm tell to you about your syllabus. So in course two chapter will come, first and second, and the third chapter I have taken from grammar book. And if grammar first chapter the sentence, that one you practice it. So now start our video. In this video I will tell you how to prepare your MCQ type question and how to solve it and how to find out the answer. Okay, so this is the first chapter. Suppose this is your sample uh, MCQ type question samples are there. I have written 20 questions. Okay, 20 question I have given you. 10 question from course first chapter and second chapter 10. Okay, so first of all you when you will be the exam will start, you have only that first time you have only 30 minutes. After 30 minutes your this site will automatically close. So within a 30 second you have to solve 20 questions, each question 1 marks. Okay, so please prepare carefully. And now I will tell you how to prepare this one. So you see the first chapter. Suppose this extract is from Norway to North Pole by Tom Hood. So this is your answer, Tom Hood, you can see here. And Frank's Adventure in Toyland, the lesson number is in your English course book. Which chapter name is this? First chapter. So option it is given, first chapter is this. This extract is from Norway to the North Pole by, you can see this paragraph, Tom Hood. Okay, so your answer is Tom Hood. And third one, what is the meaning of the activity? So you can see here what is the meaning of this. Next page, rude behavior. So you can see here, like this question I make from the paragraph. So I hope you understand how to find out this answer. This is only sample, I'm just telling you how to prepare it. That's why I'm saying you read all the chapter, each line very carefully, and short answer this one. Those are in the bracket one, this one also you will learn it. Okay, and each question like this I have given, you can see and find out this one. So this is the sample only. Okay, I made different type of questions for you. And the second chapter your like question, what is the use of the lunar vehicle? So roller use on the moon, this vehicle we lunar vehicle we use for the rover use on the moon. And this is the second chapter, the first one on the moon. So you read, astronaut Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin were the first men to walk on the moon. They spent a total 21 hours on the moon. This is the account of their historical experience. So like this question I had given you, this one also you read, learn it. Like first question was this first chapter, like what is the use of, already explain you. And the second question your code name of eagle, who model name is that one. So rocket name is a eagle. Apollo second mission was to land on the moon. How many people are? Apollo second mission was the landed 1 year, 2 men, how many men? So this answer you can see here. If this second line it is given you, yeah, here I have written. So you can see 3 to 5 jitna bhi hai, how many there are. So who are the astronaut on the Apollo second mission? So Neil Armstrong. Yeah, this you know who that, you just write that one answers. all of ABC, which one correct answer, you just tick it. Okay, so like this question will come in your exam. I hope you understand how to solve it. So whenever you read the chapter, so you chapters writer names, learn it from, adopt from this one, from where and who's the writer of that. Okay, short paragraph, sorry, short question answer, which is I have already given you. Only that one question answer I have given from the course book only, your and question answer you have, I hope, because I already sent this one uploaded. So carefully you do this all the things and read the chapter and words meaning, learn it, each and everything read carefully. Very few questions I had given to you, so please be careful and learn it. So if you have any doubt, you can ask to me. I hope no doubts now. So carefully do this all the questions, because only 30 minutes are there, that is enough. And your timetable, your day sheet already we uploaded, so you check it and try to solve it all the question, because very easy one. And the grammar one, first chapter will come, which is I will tell you on next video. In grammar, like this only you read it, but in next video I will tell you which type question I had given. Okay, each everything not given, but some things those are important, those are like with IQ one, like, so then we have, I had given that. So carefully you read each line and try to make the different question for yourself, and solve it all the answers easily you can find, and quickly you give the answer if you read chapter very carefully. Okay, so whatever be your doubt, again I'm telling you, you can ask to me, but again don't ask me same thing, because already each and everything I uploaded on your, in your app. So you go there and check it, what the chapters will come. Most is when I uploaded the syllabus, again they are asking to me, ma'am, which chapter this one. So please be careful about this. We are on the, we are online classes, sometimes I have not see your answer, your messages. So please try to uh, send me one individually. You are asking, already I uploaded it, so please first of all you check that one, then you can ask me. Okay, sometimes some network issue also, but mostly time I got the messages, so I'm giving the answer to you. I hope you understand how to solve with this answer MCQ type question and which type of question will come. So you just practice at home and learn it. Okay, this is only sample, don't learn it this one question. Okay, but this question help you to how to solve the question and how, which type of question will come. Okay, so I hope you understand. So please you read it each chapter carefully, once again I'm telling you, and solve it. So if you any question you in your mind, you can ask to me, and grammar one topic I will tell you in next video. So till then take care and thank you.